So I got breakfast. So I'm waiting for my friend right now. I'm getting breakfast. Shh, go in.
Hi, Obed.
And the lunch lady, she coughs on her hand, and then she gives me my food. She gives me my food after she coughs on my hand. I'm following her complaint.
I'm gonna shit myself.
And it's free anyway, so I guess I can get seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my friends. That's disgusting. Mr. Tallmans, how is your day going? The lunch lady coughed on my food. Do you want it?
Ew. For real?
Yes.
Ew, thank you. I'm good. I'm good.
That's disgusting. Where are they? Oh my gosh. Guys, the lunch lady coughed on my food. Casey. Casey, do you want my lunch?
No.
It's been coughed on by the lunch lady.
No.
Do you like it?
Why is Clint taking pictures of me?
That's kind of weird.
Ooh. I can sue you for that.
Yeah.
No consent. No consent.
I give no consent.
No, we're going upstairs? Okay.
Oh, okay. What?
A second.
What did you say?
Yeah.
You want to put Casey on at the zombie?
What?
You want to put Casey somewhere at the zombie?
Do I have y'all's consent to be on my TikTok?
Yeah, bro, you should because all the people there are going to be the goats.
This is gonna be a viral TikTok. I'm gonna get views and money.
Hey, I'll be in your viral. Wait, is your girl gonna come to our track meet and watch you? You should ask her. What's up, Sydney?
Just kidding. Let's go upstairs.
There's a.
Oh, no, locker room.
I already put myself in.
I guess I'll just walk around with it today.
No,
You got a haircut.
I've been having a haircut.
When?
Ever since Monday.
I'm so bad. I'm sorry. Oh, sexy. Oh, yeah. I like medium long hair like mine. I like having military hair. Let's go.
Military hair.
Like fresh out of the Navy.
Oh my gosh. Ben said that he is in the cafeteria and we just left it.
They should bust her. They said he's in the cafeteria?
Yeah. Alright.
Wow.
Who would go to Ben?
Video?
No, I'm videoing myself and who just did something crap.